tight. Oil on there. I'm going to burnish it in. That means you make it fit by rubbing on it. Basically knocking off the high spots. Spot on the end? Oh yeah. There's actually a high spot right there on the edge. See the oil, edge of the oil there? It's actually lip. Keeps me going all the way down. So stops right there. So if you got a stock distributor, it won't fit. So is that because this is machine wrong, or is it just because it's trying to make them? Here's another distributor. I'll clean this one up here and see what that lip is down there. 45, 46, 49 way down in there. I really measure it. There's 750 right there. So that's what we're hitting on. Alright. So this one here, let's see what this one does. It's even tighter. Too precision. Here's a little extra clearance. There, that one was tight. Oh, what was that? Something took off. I don't know what it was. This one's 744. I don't know what fell off. Went down there though. Whatever it was. Sure it wasn't needed. Alright, so that's a little bit too precision of a hole. So it'd be nice to have, we could put a factory distributor in the bike. Even though it'd be a little tighter, it's nice for this because this is made undersized. Keeps that a little bit tighter like that. But I don't like it when you can't do that. Let's see if this fits here. Oh, I gotta hone this, I forgot. I can't even check it right now. Come back and do that, I guess. Okay, so this has a little clearance in it. We need one more thou clearance. Then I can put a stock distributor in here. So let's go to one more thou. First thing I do is put it back where it was. Zero. I'm just going to go down. See if it cuts anything. I see no fluff coming out. I see a little bit of snow around here. I see nothing. But did it make a difference or not? Okay, just didn't fit before. Boom! Like it made for it. Still not quite all the way down. It's the thickness of a gasket now. So it's not quite the bottom, but you can put a gasket in there and bring it up. Alright. So where's my stock distributor gear? Where did we put that thing? Right over here. Okay, it rotates. It's hard to turn, but this distributor is dirty and rusty. See the clearance in there right there. This one's more even than the other gear was. That's your clearance right there in the teeth. So we probably could have been closer by 1 or 2 thou, but not more than that. That's very tight right there. It's barely got anything. That's pretty good for a worm gear. Probably 1 more thou would have made it nice and tight. You can see the top of the gear there, so you know the height is good. Okay, so that's this one. Okay. Yeah, that's a precision fit there. You can see that high spot right there again where it stops it. So machine mark right there, you can see it. Okay, so can't get any more precision than that for a snug fit, that's for sure. So the problem is you can't go down with it because of the lip. Distributor. We need to fix that problem. Zero it out again. That's how accurate this machine is repeating. I cut out a half a thou to thou max, so I didn't put that back in there. It's pretty damn close. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and open this thing up. 5 thou. I don't know how much I need, but close to that probably. And we're going to go down there. 30 thou maybe. That's enough. See, I went down just a little bit right there. There's this one. Just going all the way down. Okay. This one spins nice and free. It turns nicely. So the gears are in there spinning away. Check our backlash with that one. This one has a little more clearance in it. See, that's the clearance right there. Okay. Barely feel any clearance in that though. It's good. Okay, now this one here, we'll go all the way down this time. don't really feel it bottom out, but it's yeah. Can't see a gap between the case and the gasket surface. I think there's a small gap in there, but anyway. This is 15 thou, it ain't gonna go in there, so it's less than that. Pretty much all the way down. Once again, put that in there, get our clearance. Rotates no problem. The leg gets tight right there though. Should push in. So it is pretty close on the gear tooth. It's actually binding up on the last coming out of the gear. The engagement right there. See, it should just slide right out, but it's not. See, it gets tight right there. Then it gets loose once it's in there. It's kind of weird. Just rotate a little bit, pull that back out. That's wheel tight there. Move a couple teeth over. Yeah, so the gear is tight right here. So that means this gear here is not straight. It's tighter on the outside as the inside. The way the actual wear pattern is. So see right there, there's your clearance. So that's pretty close. So that means if you're 1,000 closer, you have to beat that thing with a hammer in there to get it installed. So that means you probably got less than 1,000 clearance in those teeth, even though it shows it quite a bit. Okay, so that's pretty tight. And this one here, does not want to come out of there. And this one here, we drop it down, so it drops all the way in. See, this one doesn't have that problem. See, it just slides right in nice and easy. So. There's no binding at all. Yep. Right there, just right there gets tight. That little tooth right there. So coming off the top of this gear here, there's a little, not quite machined all the way, kind of a little bit of a burr machine. It's not really a burr, but there's just a high spot on the machining. So right there's no binding on that tooth. That one's good. That one's good. Yeah, so we know, but they were in there. Right there, you can feel it right there. If you move it just a little bit, it doesn't bind anymore. So it's a combination of the two teeth. Okay, so that one works pretty good. Okay, so what I got to do is go hone this one out and see how it looks. We'll come back and show you.